Hi everybody, my name is Phil here at Colton RV in North Tonawanda. Today we're going to be doing a walk around of the KZ Confluence 24BH model. It's part of our Buy Now, Camp Now sales event. These 3 units are all prepped and ready for camping tonight, so you can purchase today and camp tonight, hit that campsite. Starting with a walk around, you'll see in the front we've got a power tongue jack with the manual backup, so you can still crank that up in case you lose power out on the campsite. 2 20-pound propane tanks covered in here. You got your battery set up. You'll notice the diamond plating on the front. This to help to protect the front of the camper and also take some of the force out of any obstacles off the roadway that might ricochet between your vehicle. They'll be sent downward. Headed around the outside, you've got a premium Lamilux Gelcoat fiberglass exterior with aluminum construction. Excellent pass-through storage, and check out these magnetic door latch locks. One-handed, easy operation. You don't have to be, if you got your arms full, you're not fiddling with everything trying to get loaded up. Here's your city water connection, your fresh tank fill. We have the kids fill up the fresh water because that's going to spray out on them. They have fun when that's full. Stabilizer jacks for all corners. All 5 floor plans also include a slide out, so you have a welcoming, spacious interior, plenty of room inside the camper. Tinted windows all the way around. And check out these wheels, 14-inch aluminum wheels with nitrous inflation, upgraded suspension. There's also an optional off-road package that gives you even more aggressive tires with a little bit more ground clearance. But as you can see, we're already sitting up and sitting strong. You've got your power supply, 30 amp camp power for your full service campgrounds, your tank flush. You've got the dumping station for your wastewater, sewer water, and sewage holding tanks. Right on the back here, we have your satellite and cable hookups for your campsite, so you can power your television with the full 4G LTE signal boosting omnidirectional antenna on top. You run your Hulu, you can watch your Netflix, you can watch your cable, satellite, everything. Nice spare tire cover with your spare tire on the outside, so you're not climbing underneath to get that in case you have any tire issues. Right here we have our camp shower and our outdoor kitchen. The 24 and 26 BH models, our bunkhouse models, have this outdoor kitchen with the slide out griddle. With the spacious little camp fridge, 12-volt power, you can keep plenty of cold drinks out there for the family. And then we have the 110-volt power supply for hanging outside when you're outside camping. Built-in leash latch. This is a pet-friendly unit, so you have a built-in leash latch. You got a little paw print-shaped bottle opener there for your beverages. And check out this pass-through storage. One-handed, easy operation all the way through, finished flooring, radiant heat. And then we've got all the units are also solar prepped. And take a look at that nice retractable power awning. It also has a manual backup just in case you're running out of power. Nice solid stance entry steps. Keep it real secure, not shaking the trailer when you're coming in and out. Maybe early mornings, you don't want to wake people up. Easy wide grab handle, folding. Let's head inside. Oh, also the one key Kia-like system. One key will open all of your exterior baggage doors, including your entry door. You can use the same key for all that. Friction hinge entry door, so the wind's not going to catch that, have it come slamming in on you. And then they're also fitted with the screen shot. That helps the screen door stay closed so you can keep the bugs out in case while you're going in and out. Let's head inside. All right, so we're inside the camper now. Up here you see your convenient control panel with your light switches, your tank heaters, your awning control, slide control. Mentioned tank heaters, so one of the benefits of the Confluence units, they've got a good Arctic package, so they have a heated enclosed underbelly, 12-volt pad warmers, tank warmers, which you control here, so you can warm up the propane tanks, warm up without having to go outside of the camper and do anything. Premium one-piece pressed countertops, so you're not going to have any separation from moisture and whatnot. Very nice stainless steel drop-in one-piece sink with sink cover. Take a look at this massive dinette, dream dinette table. You can remove the legs, drops down, becomes another sleeping area for guests, and that's really comfortable too. Take a look at these. Look at these pillows. Air conditioning, we're a little sweaty in here right now. This is a ducted racetrack style air conditioning system. Just evenly distributes the cool air all throughout the cabin without having your cold spots and warm spots as you're running through. You notice the LED lighting, very energy efficient, bright, smooth white light with clickable, so you can turn them on and off as you see fit. You've got your stainless steel microwave oven with range top, glass top cover. You want to remove that before cooking, obviously, but when you're in storage, you got a little bit extra counter space too while you're not cooking. Lots of storage in the kitchen. You've got roller ball bearing glides for the drawers, solid wood construction. And then check this out, integrated, we mentioned these units are all pet friendly. Those are integrated dog dishes in there for the little ones. Sometimes we have customers say those are great for little dogs, but we got bigger dogs. Well, under here we've got our big dog feeding dishes. It's a little joke. Big dog owners like that. This is storage totes and ample storage space between underneath each dinette seat. More kitchen storage. Look at all this storage up here. Cabinets, that solid wood again. Blackout shades in the kitchen, so when you're little nighttime cooking, don't feel like you're on display for the rest of the campsite. Take a look at this kitchen. This kitchen refrigerator, gas electric, 6 cubic feet refrigerator. You can run it off of the propane or electric, or if you get a solar panel added on, because we're solar prepped, you can be charging your battery with the solar, so make sure you keep that running, keep everything cold. Look at that spacious bathroom. All floor plans include a porcelain toilet with foot flush, skylight in the shower, nice roomy walk-in shower with privacy curtain. You also have a power fan to pull the heat and any odors out. This is a bunkhouse unit. We've got real sturdy bunks up here with a built-in pet kennel underneath. So you've got a little floor vent heater to keep the pups warm while they're resting on their little sleeping quarters as well. Another great thing to point out about the Confluence units, you'll notice no carpeting in here. These have marine grade vinyl flooring, mildew resistant, mold resistant. You're not going to be dealing with some of the odors and moisture issues that you may have had in the past with other travel trailers and carpeted units. Here's your entertainment center. You've got your CD, DVD, MP3, Bluetooth, connects to the outside speakers, AM, FM, stereo, more storage. Nice storage areas for your all your entertainment needs. Headed to take a look at the bedroom. This is where it gets a little exciting also. So all the Confluence units all come standard with a king size bed, premium comforter. We've got, taking a look in here at the bed, you've got stand-up wardrobes with shirt racks on both sides. 110 volt outlets on both sides, conveniently with 2 USB ports for both sides. So whatever side of the king size bed you're on, you're going to have plenty of battery charging capabilities. Nice sliding bedroom door for privacy, so you can keep yourself secluded from the rest of the campers. And then check out these blackout shades. You can get it nice and dark in here, accordion style, so they're not rattling around while you're in transit. And then bedroom storage, we've got more. Plywood base under that king size bed. Look at all that storage underneath. Gas struts to keep it up, so you notice I don't have to hold this up. You can be loading and unloading without having to hold up that big king size mattress. So thanks guys. Once again, I'm Phil at Colton RV here in North Tonawanda. This is our 2021 KZ Confluence 24 bunkhouse, part of our Buy Now Camp Now sales event. All 3 units at each location that are prepped, ready to go. You can buy now and take it to the campsite tonight. Come see us at Colton RV.